Hi students, now we are going to discuss about one topic. What is that? Refraction. Refraction. Generally, what is the meaning of refraction? Refraction means bending. In general language, bending. Okay. Whenever light ray enters from one medium to another medium, at the interface, the direction of the light ray changes. The direction of the light ray changes. Okay. At the interface, when light ray enters from one medium to another medium, light ray bends at interface. Okay. The bending nature of the light ray is only called as refraction of light. Refraction of light. So to make you understood, I will give you, I'll tell you. For example, students, here this is one container is taken, glass container. In this glass container, here water is taken. For example, you can here this is a glass container. Glass container. Here this is a water. So here this is completely air medium. Here this is a water medium. So here one torchlight is put here. Here one torchlight is put, okay, to produce light. Here one torchlight is here. Whenever torchlight is switched on, what happens? Light ray passes through air and it falls on the surface of the water is only called as interface. Interface means the middle surface in between two media. Middle surface. Inter means middle. Interface means middle surface. This is called as a interface. This is called as interface. So this is a middle surface. Okay, students. Actually, what is our concept? Refraction. Refraction means when light ray passes from one medium to another medium, at the interface, the direction of the light ray changes. Okay. Light ray bends at the interface of the two media. Okay. So just in simple language I will tell you. Here this is, for example, students, here this is one small container. So I can write here. So the bending nature of light. Simple language, the bending nature of light is only called as refraction. Okay. So in physics language, when light ray passes from one medium to another medium, from one medium to another medium, at the interface light ray bends light ray bends. Otherwise, so at the interface the direction of the light ray changes. The direction of light ray changes. The direction of light ray changes. Okay, so this phenomenon is only called as refraction. Refraction means, general language, what is the meaning of refraction? Refraction means bending. You know, the bending nature of light is only called as refraction. So here, when light ray passes from one medium to another medium, at the interface the direction of light ray changes. Okay students, okay, here one glass container, this is one glass container. In this glass container, here some half of the portion of the glass container is filled with water. So this is air. Above the glass water surface, air is there. This is air medium, this is water medium, this is the surface of the water, means this is the interface. Interface means middle surface, middle. You know why it is called as middle? It is middle in between two media. Here air medium and water medium. So this is a middle surface. So here one torchlight is taken. So we can write here. So here light source. This is a light source. Light source. So whenever light ray passes like this, here light ray is passing in this direction. The light ray which incidents on this interface on the surface of the water, this light ray is called as a incident light ray. Incident light ray. Incident light ray. Incident light ray. Whenever light ray incidents on the surface of the water, otherwise at the interface, actually this is the actual path of the light ray. This is the actual path of the light ray. Okay, so this is a, we can write this actual path of the light ray. 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 So whenever light ray incidents at this particular point, light ray should travel in this direction actually in the absence of water. But in the presence of water, what happens? This is air medium, this is water medium. This air medium is called as rarer medium. Rarer. This water medium is called as a denser medium. Denser. Denser medium. Whenever light ray passes from one medium to another medium, you know, the middle line which separates incident light ray and the actual path of the light ray. Okay, at this point let us take, this is a you know, interface we can take as I, point I. You know, this vertical line is called as a normal line. Okay, so normal line which makes 90 degrees with the surface. Okay, the line which makes 90 degrees with the surface of the water is only called as a normal line. So we can write this is a normal, the line which makes 90 degrees with the surface of the water. Okay, so here this line makes 90 degrees. Here line makes 90 degrees with the surface. So that's why it is called as a normal line. So this is incident light ray. This is the actual path of the light ray. Actual path of the light ray. In the absence of water, light ray can travel in this direction. But in the presence of water, what happens? As we discussed so far, what happens? When light ray passes from one medium to another medium, here you see light ray is passing from one medium to another medium. This is air medium, this is water medium. What happens at the interface? Okay, at the point of incident, you know, this particular point is called as point of incident. Why? Because at this particular point only light ray is incidenting. Okay, so that's why it is called as a point of incidence. Point of incidence. Point of incidence. Point of incidence. Okay, so here whenever light ray incidents like this, so when it enters into the denser medium, the light ray changes its direction. Okay, so here light ray can move in this direction. You see, actually this is the actual path of the light ray, but instead of moving in this direction, light ray changes in this direction. Light ray moves in this direction. Okay, so this light ray is called as a bent light ray. Bent light ray. Otherwise refracted light ray. Refracted ray. Refracted ray. You know, this is called as incident light ray. This is called as refracted light ray. Okay, so here the line which is middle in between incident light ray and refracted light ray is only called as a normal. Okay, next this is called as point of incidence. This is called as point of refraction also. Point of incidence or point of refraction. Why? Because at this point only light ray is bending. So you know, here refraction means, you know, when light ray passes from one medium to another medium, at the interface the direction of light ray changes. Okay, so the changing of direction of the light ray when light ray passes from one medium to another medium is only called as refraction of light ray. Okay, students. Okay, here this is a incident light ray will make some angle with the normal. Okay, so this is called as angle of incidence. Okay, here refracted light ray will also make some angle with the normal. So that is angle which is made by the refracted light ray with the normal is only called as angle of refraction. Okay, always angle of incidence will be equal to angle of refraction. Angle of incidence will be always equal to angle of refraction. Okay, students. So you know, this is about the refraction phenomenon.